My name is Tim Kosher. I'm a systems engineer from Dallas, Texas. My lab is the Storage Policy-Based Management and Virtual Volumes Lab. And I've been with the labs for about 8 years. Some of the standout features of the lab are you get to configure virtual volumes from the ground up. Right? We have a virtual storage array. We configure all the way through the networking piece, all the way into the virtualization layer, and you get to actually deploy a VM using SPBM on virtual volumes. In this lab environment, we've built out the entire infrastructure so that you can see the entire process, whereas if you were trying to do it on your own, you would have to actually have a storage array, or a virtual storage array. You'd have to have the networking in place. You'd have to have the vCenter ready to do that. In VASA, it's a piece of vVols, all configured. So it's all configured for you so that within about 40 minutes, you can do it yourself. We have folks that are brand new with vVols that aren't familiar with them at all, to those that have them deployed in their environment. So the lab is built from beginner all the way to advanced. So the first couple modules have some really easy stuff, some things you just configure. Some of the later modules have some pretty advanced configurations, and it's for everybody. Yeah, we've had a vVols with SPBM lab in the hands-on labs for probably 4 or 5 years now, and every year we've updated it. So we're on the latest edition. We have a brand new virtual storage array on the back end. It's reinvented this year, and it's going to be great. I think those that would benefit most from this lab are those that are exploring vVols. Those could be a virtualization administrator or a storage administrator that want to see a more intimate relationship between the back-end storage array and the vCenter side of things.